Hi, hello, and welcome to Build Well. This is another episode of your Q4 results and the financial year ending 2022, right? For the last 9 months. So today we will be looking at IRCTC, and I'm really excited. Let's jump right in. So, IRCTC is actually a mini Ratna company. So, what is a mini Ratna company? Mini Ratna company is nothing but a public sector company in which it makes a pre-tax profit of 30 crore, at least 30 crore in one out of your 3 consecutive previous years, and it should have a positive net worth. If it qualifies all this, it's considered to be a mini Ratna. So IRCTC is a mini Ratna. We will be looking at its pre-tax profits and all. So the first one they've given is the financials, right? So the one that I've ticked in blue is your quarterly results, right? So we're comparing the quarterly on Q4 results on year-on-year basis. So year ending 2021 to and year ending 2022, right? So the revenue from operations alone have jumped from 54,000 lakhs to 91,000 lakhs, okay, which is like 70% growth. We will be looking at the split up of this revenue in the next part of this financial report, because I mean there is a lot to cover in IRCTC. So let's look at the split up in the next video. But so 70% growth is like mind-blowing, right? And your profit before tax and other exceptional items have grown from 28,000 crore to 34,000 lakhs. I'm sorry, it's not crores, it's actually lakhs. Everything is ending in lakhs, right? Except your earnings per share. So it has jumped from 28,000 lakhs to 34,000 lakhs, which is 21% growth. And your profit after tax from 20,000 lakhs to 25,000 lakhs. I mean, revenue has portrayed a very great picture, other than your EBIT and your profit after tax. If we look at the 9 months ending, right, like from your March till December, we can see that your revenue has grown from 118,000 lakhs to 257,000 lakhs, which is actually amazing. I haven't calculated the percentage, but yeah. So profit before tax from 60 to 97,000 lakhs, and your profit after tax is 45,000 lakhs to 72,000 lakhs. So financials have been great. You can expect a lot, right? In IRCTC, obviously it's a monopoly and you have no competitors, and right now with the real near business, IRCTC has been like it is the king of its thing, right? And if you look at the earnings per share, if you're a shareholder, you will receive an EPS of like 8.3, which is nothing but your earnings, which is available to the equity shareholders after paying all the preference dividend by the whole number of number of equity shares that's outstanding, which is 8.3 rupees per share. Yeah, this is with the financials. Next, if we look at, there are actually 7 more important points that we need to look when it comes to IRCTC. The auditors has stated that these 7 points are really important. If you're a shareholder of IRCTC, you need to know some stuff, right? So today we will be looking at this one point, and we'll stop here, and the next few points in the breakup we'll look at the next video. So the first point is that they're talking about 3 most important points in IRCTC that's happening right now. Before I explain the 3 points, I want to read it to you, okay? So the Railway Board has increased the catering tariff for post and prepaid trains. However, the effect of enhancement of license fee for the periods from 18th November 2019 to 22nd March 2020 for postpaid trains, and 27th November 2021 to 31st December 2022 for post and prepaid trains have not been ascertained and recognized on account of increase in catering tariff as per CC 60 of 2019 issued by the Railway Board. Since due to pandemic, the sales assessment by the company was pending, which is now under finalization. So, okay, so the first thing is increase in catering tariff. you can take it in two ways, right? So increase in catering tariff is like the amount that you pay to get your food, right? So that amount of tariff or the cost that IRCTC is incurring to prepare its food, the amount or the tax has been, you can't take tax right here, but actually tariff means tax. But here let's take it that the amount that it needs to prepare its food or sell it, for us to just obtain food, has been increased. The tariff of catering has been increased for both post and prepaid trains. So what happens, the license fee is also like obviously increased. So what happens is that this increase has not been recognized on account of on account of increase in catering tariff as per the CC60 of 2019 issue. I think that's something which is especially related to railway board. So I think we can understand one thing here is that there has been an increase in an expenditure, but it's not shown in, it's not accounted for in the P&L that we just saw right now, right? So expenses have been undervalued. It does not show a true picture. So your profit will actually reduce if this has been implemented or like put in the statement, right? So which is nothing but they're just telling you that due to the pandemic and other things, they are still finalizing about the implementation of this license fee and increase in your expense. Okay, so your expenses does not show a true picture. The next one is that the sales has been which is pending before is now finalized, right? So there has been some things in the previous year that was under process, which is now finalized. Okay, that's what they're talking. So I think we can take what can you take away from this point is that your expenditure and your expenditure does not show a true picture. It has been undervalued. Okay, it needs to be expanded and your profit actually needs to be reduced. So by that I think we can get with this point. And yeah, I think we'll just stop it with here. There are many other few points which is really important. We're just talking about Rail Near and many other important like exceptional items, your incomes and many other things in the next video. But before that, a quick sneak peek of what was that revenue about, like how 70% increased. I think you can see it here in your catering. Okay, what are the 5 segments that we're looking at? Your segment revenue has been majorly 5 segments are catering, Rail Near, your internet bookings, your tourism and state neta. So here major thing, if you see here, your catering has been like from 10,000 lakhs to 39,000 lakhs, right? Let's analyze more about this, especially Rail Near. There are some important points in Rail Near and how does it affect IRCTC. These are your 5 basic revenues. Let's look at this and other important items in the next video. Until that, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye bye.